What page?
It is page 285. On page 285. Brianna says she's not able to listen. Can somebody tell her yes?
I already done my interactive notebook.
You finish it all?
Yeah.
Oh, that was fast. Okay, but let me, if you have it, go ahead and post it if you already have it, because I put it for next week in order for you to have all this week. I don't want you to work on the weekend, and then you have to turn it in on Tuesday of next week. So in here, what is a proportion? A proportion is an equation. A proportion is an equation that states that two ratios are equal. That states that two are equal. So in here, let's see. If we say that 2 over 3 is equal to what? It is equal to 8 over 12. How do you get this answer? What did you do? You multiply 3 times what gives you 12, guys? 3 times what gives you 12?
4.
Times 4, right? So whatever you do on the denominator, you have to do on the numerator. So 3 times 4 equals 12. So therefore you multiply 2 times 4 equals 8. That's how you get a proportion. This is very similar to equivalent fractions. So let's see. What don't you understand?
What are you doing?
Okay, I am showing you how, okay, 12 divided by 3, what is 12 divided by 3? 4. So whatever, you have to multiply 3 times 4 to give you 12, right? So whatever you do on the denominator, if you multiply times 4 to give you 12, you're going to multiply the same number times 4. Do you understand now? Let's do it.
What topic is that?
What?
What topic is that?
What's up? What?
What topic?
What topic?
It's on the board, writing and solving proportions.
That
You can see? Guys, you gotta let me know if I have to move the computer, because I cannot see what you see. Okay, so now let's see the other one. In this one, I already gave you the answer. For in here, we want to find x. So let's look at example 1. You have 5 over 6 is equal to what? Is equal to x over 18. Look how easy. How can you find out what x is? So tell me.
Mommy.
What do you multiply? What do you multiply? 6 times what gives you 18?
3.
So you multiply times 3. And in order for you to find out what x is,
15.
what are you going to multiply? Times what?
3.
3.
Times 3. Okay. And what is 5 times 3?
15.
15. Okay. So in here it is saying 5 over 6 is the same thing as saying 15 over 18. ¿Vieron? You just need to get the common number in order for you to find x. Let's look at another one. We have 2 over 7. Now we have 2 over 7 is equal to what? X over 21. So what do we multiply? 7 times what gives us 21?
Times 3.
7 times?
3.
Again? 3. Yes. 7 times 3. So 7 times 3 equals 21. So 2 times what? Times 3. What is 2 times 3?
6.
What would it be? Guys, what is 2 times 3? 6. So here you have 2 times 3 is 6. So you have 2 over 7 is the same thing as 6 over 21. Bien. Here you go.
Like that.
That's it. This is called proportion. This is very easy. The only thing is that you have to determine which is the number. You have to determine. Now let's do number 2, the last one. 3 over 8 is equal to what? Is equal to x over 32. We're trying to find equivalent fractions practically. So what do you multiply 8 times what gives you 32?
4.
Okay, so you multiply times 4. 8 times 4 equals 32. So 3, remember, whatever we did over here, we have to do it on the top. 3 times 4. And what is 3 times 4?
12.
12. So 3 over 8 is the same thing as saying 12 over 32. Yeah. This stands for x. That is it, guys. That's how you do proportions. This topic is really easy if you know your multiplication tables. Do you have any question on this topic, guys?
No. Wait.
No, actually, very stimulus days.
Is that I can't see anything, so I can.
Okay, but remember, I'm gonna upload this in the video in YouTube, so you guys are gonna be able to see it. And I'm gonna take a picture of it. Any other question? Brianna, were you able to listen?
So,
I stubborn.
Yeah, stop it.